Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we saw how tuple works in Python. In this video, we are going to see sets. What is sets? Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Also, it is a collection which is both unordered and unindexed. Sets are written with curly bracket. Set is also unchangeable and duplicate items are not allowed in sets. Now I'll see why set is unordered or unindexed. So let's take one example. I'll simply say set1 is equal to curly bracket. I'll add some items in double quotes. I'll say A, comma B, comma C, comma D, and comma E. And I'll just simply print this set to check whether it is printed in similar order in which we added into the set or the order of the item are changed, just for checking. So I'll simply print set1 and I'll run the program. See, output has been printed on our terminal, but the order of all the items are not same. It is changed. That means set is not maintaining its order. That's why set is called as a unordered. So I'll just add one item inside the set and I'll run the program again. See, A has been printed only one time. That means set automatically remove duplicate items from our sets. Now I'll try to access set from using index. For that I'll simply say set1 in square bracket. I'll pass index 1 and I'll run the program. See, set object is not subscriptable. That means set does not support indexing like tuple and list. We cannot access item using index in sets. Therefore, sets is unordered and unindexed, and also duplicate items are not allowed in sets. Now we'll see how to access item from sets. For that, we have our set. So let's print. I want A in set 1. I'll save the program and I'll run the program. See, it has given me true. That means the A has been present in set 1. This is a one way, and if I want each item from set 1, for that I'll use for loop for item in set 1 colon, and in for loop I'll print item one by one. See, all the item from set 1 has been printed on our terminal. This is how we can access item from set using for loop in Python. Now we'll see how to add item. For that I'll say set1 dot, I'll use add method of set. Yes, I want to add say f, and I'll simply print set1, and I'll run the program. See, f has been added into the set. So this is how you can add new item in a set. There is a one more method called update. So, or you can say set2 is equal to, in bracket we'll say g comma h, and we'll simply use a set1 dot update method to update our set. In bracket we'll pass set2, and let's just print our set1 to check whether it is updated or not, and I'll save the program and I'll run the program. See, G and H has been added to our set1. So this is how we can add new item in set using add or update method. Now we'll see how to remove item from sets. For that we are going to use remove method. So we'll say set1 dot remove, in bracket I'll pass the item which I want to remove. I'll say A, and I'll simply print our set1 to check whether A has been removed or not, and I'll save the program. See, A has been removed from our set. So this is how we can remove our item from sets. Now I'll see how to join two sets. For that we'll take another example. So let's say set2 is equal to, in bracket I'll add some numeric values 1, 2, 3, and I'll simply say set3 is equal to set1 dot, I'll use union method and I'll pass set2. I'll simply print set3. I'll run the program. See, 1, 2, 3 has been added, or you can say two sets are merged into one set, into set3. This is how we can add two sets in the Python.